It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
You made a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored. I need someone to care for me forever, to make me feel secure when we're together. I wanna feel adored.
So today review is on this unit right here, and it's by Outre, and it's part of the lace front Deluxe, and I have in the style Lumina, and it's 24 inches, and I have in the color DR4/black golden honey, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did use a little bit of heat with my hot comb just to lay the part down a little bit. It comes with the regular cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. And this unit is very big hair friendly. I have my wig grip on, but there's so much room in the back, so it's definitely big hair friendly, and it is ear to ear. The lace is ear to ear. I think this is a left side part. Yeah, it's a left side part. For all my gals out there that love the left side part, this is for you. And this is the colors that's in here, and all the specialty colors. Yeah, it is nice. Like this color, I am loving it. Let me see the price for this. Let me check real quick. I should have looked it up before I came on camera, but how are you guys been doing? For me, and I've been doing good. So this ranges from $28 to $32, depending on which side you go on. It comes with some baby hair. As you seen, I use the baby hair, and the rest I just push it back. Like you see right here, that's a baby hair. It is long baby hair. It was very easy to lay. I used my Red by Kiss lace tinting spray. I am in love with this spray. It matches me perfectly, and it smells so good. It smells so good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I'm here for this color. I feel like this color matches my complexion so well. And she is long, as you saw, 24 inches. Yeah. And you don't have to do much to this hair. I am not getting any tangling, and it is very soft. So soft. Not much shedding, just a little bit, which is, you know, normal for this style and color. And yeah, I love it. I don't have anything negative to say about it. Okay, let me know what you think about her. Make sure you're following me on all these social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Yes, I'm trying to keep up, but it is hard, you know. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Let me do a little 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. Yeah, let me know what you think about her. Okay, I over here definitely am here for it. I love it. So I'll see you in the next video.
It's a bad man.